Look at this. Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. I am holding in my hand what is claimed to be the best sausage roll in the world. I sound like Jeremy Clarkson. The best sausage roll in the world. Right, Ginger Pig Limited. They've got a sign like they were established in 1898, but really it says there's 1998. They've been here ever since. World famous sausage rolls. And I said to him, what's so good about it? And he said there's a special dry blend of herbs and spices. He said, just taste it and you will see. We've even got a list of what's in it. I'm going to stick that on me here. So any time in the review you want to know what I'm talking about, we've got 73% pork, ginger, blah, 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 blah. It's all there. I'm not going to read it out. Come on. And as always, on the page, we like to look at serviettes. I believe serviettes are a massive indicator of how good a place is. The man's handed me a fistful. What they were the feds. Not though. What they
Stop
like.
calling them.
It's just security. Those two didn't like to catch a cold, to be fair. Dumb and Dumber. Right. Napkin watch. Ooh. Printed. Nice to touch. Thick. Could you just confirm that, please, Jess, with your hand?
Oh, yeah.
He handed me a fistful of napkins over the counter.
3 or 4 ply.
A 3 or 4 ply. Key indicator that this is goods. This is going to taste like cash, I can feel it. So, price. I'm going to stuff them in. Oh, they give you napkins because it's the right mess. What do you think? The printed bags. I like it. Pull it out, secondary bag. Now I'm getting excited. Now I feel like it's a Russian doll. One thing after another. We're pulling them out here. London, is this the best sausage? Ooh. Look at this. Hot to touch.
Is it hot?
It's hot. It's piping hot, Jeff. Look at that. I think I can see a little of the juices running out of that. Large, heavy,
How much was it?
full. It's fucking hot. That's why they give me the napkins. Yes, I think it was. £4.
It's quite a lot for £4.
Best sausage roll in the world? Let's find out. I'm going to do the grand reveal. Oh, look at that. Got the sort of egg wash on top there, I think. Giving that golden colour. Rich aroma. Can you smell that? This is a punchy flavour. If only I knew what was in it. Hold on. I'm not even gonna. It's for you guys. Go on. Little close up. Screenshot now. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Is this the world famous best sausage roll I will ever wrap my lips around? Here we go. I don't know when to go for this then. That's outstanding. Beautiful. Wow. Literally just stumbled across this place. The pastry is crisp on the outside, but moist and juicy on the inside. And the meat
So much meat.
is a fistful. That's caramelised on the outside of there. It's light. Very fine. Crumbly in your mouth. Not a work of art. Not hard work to chew at all. How remarkable. The Ginger Pig Limited. I don't know if they've done sausage roll awards or not in the UK, but if they did, everyone else should pack up their shit for home because this is unbelievable. Best one I've ever had by a mile.
Maybe we should do a sausage roll awards.
I don't think. How can you make it better than that? Please, get in the comments. If you think you know a better sausage roll than this, please put a picture of it. Don't be putting in no Greg stuff as well. None of that. This is... Greg sausage rolls couldn't wipe this his ass. God, that's good. It's sweet. It's like heavy, it's juicy, it's fresh, it's clean. Wow. Okay, move to score. I didn't know sausage rolls could get that good. Drink watch. Don't sell drinks. Classic. What's it, many people around it? Drink watch is so important. That could have turned this into a proper special. I'm going to give this a score This has got to be a 9.2 all day long. It's going to hold a few marks back. No, not holding it back anything. 9.2, gut reaction, go with the score. £4, served as it is. Look, quality. Unbelievable, Jeff. That's the review.